ɛno Asante Kotoko esi akan minya ntoboase ase minya abotre ko hwe bi na di mehu ye no as a players ni bi wono ma pressure abeto omo so mechirichirim e wo honom pacho uhweduma de betumi afollow betumi so alike betumi so asubscribe e wo YouTube betumi so alike betumi so share e wo honom e de amaye nso wo comments bi wo so betumi de aba e wo honom so Kotoko preparations towards season 2024-2025 league season no Kotoko preparation edi Kotoko asase ebo friendly matches ni ade e de hwe ma ho oden e wo ho enche bia Kotoko ne mediama e wo TNA Park new built TNA Park no another stadium e wo Takwanantino na ho behia se Kotoko shase e bobo friendlies na sakra na omudumo na chirimu omu Europe tour no e honom but some of the players ni bi honom on the field no wetum say minim omo pressure ato omo so wo hwe omo you can wetum ehu clearly say pressure eda ebinom so eya midim gidi say obiara epese o prove no wrong and so prove say obetumi abo Kotoko by balance so you commit yourself or you make a lot of mistakes bibiri honom balance na Kotoko supporters demand this continuously so yes na o ma hia ase amount pressure o you balance so player no so emwa enti de be hia ne say we player na so wo bo a e wo say o calm down relax so when you ball na calm down so what I say na na baby apostle o de distribution bi apostle ye bia no what me I obi say we na say Justice Bray enya ball say o calm down na o distribute balls no ma baby abeko bia no so what I say Abrante friend say Emmanuel Krote Abrante no what me say pressure e da Abrante no so your man ball and I say your man pass what me say as on the whole pre no bi say the closest crown now why no crown enkoyi so what I say Abrante no obehia a bit of time na o mo man pass here or calm down na where the obey or park in so rather than say as o ma pressure for na fi or the crosses no enkoyi e man say ho honom the Abrante say Emmanuel Krote because opposition na kwa na obo bibire honom a mbo opposition this say clearly no so we make this kind of petty mistakes on the field and on the balance our coach beat me a bencho so what I say Lord Amwa a fantastic player Lord Amwa yes a fantastic Samba any abro omunyina akire honom no solid somebody ono mu se bia we a friendly match we say ne boa no obo say o Sergio Ramos e honom tino Abrante no so enye bad na Abrante friend say Emmanuel Antwi ono so fantastic na Benasomoa that young chap ono so yes we good striker no free Sudan by no so striker no as a moon say we a bit slow bi honom no was a coach no ne kasa say we wait me ayashi so we call we the height no say we say we gina nim once be crosses ne ba say Abrante no betumi abo am Asante Kotoko but me hu ni say na your pitch no so no we a bit slow be say enti obehia say mpenifo ne kasa na o set up so honom na a smart that young guy no so Sudanese no o hwe ono so ne crosses o de ba na solid fantastic we good honom na Peter Amidu Akwa Abrante makati de bia me ka say one my favorite player pa guy ni good the here say obetumi anya playing time Asante Kotoko obetumi ma Kotoko edru baby and also obetumi akoso surprises game bia obesi bia na say akan obesi bia na Asante Kotoko no obetumi pull out surprises bibre edama Asante Kotoko because we share ne ability ne runs ya we no park ne so a onye bad ya kotoko ni kono hu ya because what coach Ogum aye adwuma awa brand no pa oya o tun sa brand no game after game bia no o improve I meet mama no 9/10 9/10 honum ti abrante Peter Amidu Akwa on keep up na onkoso na de woye no onye ne samfama Asante Kotoko na ono so betimi abo no so ama wotimi akonanim kra o abrabo na nsa na in his football career no etimi di no adu baby so what say on say enanti ba Kotoko omo yiro mo ho a omutimi eko baby mutimi duro monim pa enti me can say all the players no obia emon ho modern wa o trans na hu say wo sinto na wa try so that make us say titiri man quote no me hu ni say o ya ka chi kakranti no one try no one catch up with others no say ya won kasa so betimi abo no e honom ensuso enye bad so far no Kotoko friendly games no mo 2 matches o ma 11 goals I concede only 1 goal enye bad your mama time stop but enye say bia ye be real league no so the way amusi kono mo fa saa enko enye say fa na ye say league na fa na mo sa etiba from mo improve saa ko pum say league no kwa be kwa wi because when you say coach no team or build this year or build team for the league and the Africa. That is for this is what I'm seeing because players on good campus this year no they are solid and I say a good player quality and almost this year no enti we coach the game plan and the BBA na or push it towards the league Africa and everything I say challenge be able na nibia no obe try say obe confront it ntini na de me so ebra me kohwe game no de me hu no so no enti mo yenko yanim na yemo na Asante Kotoko nanim be de mo team shalom peace bye bye.